this is Josh from Two-Way Direct. Today I'm going to be showing you the CP200 radio by Motorola, as well as our aftermarket battery for that model, and our 2-wire surveillance kit with the M1 connector that fits the CP200. To start off, on the back, where the battery goes is where you'll find the part number. CP200 starts with AAH, and you can go ahead and take our battery. It fits snugly right there. Down here you'll find the latch. Pushing it down will take it off, and you want it to be locked in so the battery doesn't fall out. So push that over this side. It's a locking mechanism. Here on the radio we have our volume knob, which is also the on switch, as you can hear. Here's our channel selector, removable antenna, push to talk button on the side. Then on the opposite side is where we have our input jack, where we'll be putting our earpiece here. And all our batteries, by the way, come with belt clips, right, like you see here. Moving to the earpiece, this is our 2-wire surveillance kit. This one has braided fiber, so it's a little more durable than the standard one. This clips onto your collar, typically, and it's the push-to-talk microphone. Here's the push-to-talk button, mic's right up there, so typically you'd have that pinned on your shirt here. Here's another spot that you will connect to your collar or the back of your shirt just to hold it in place. That way if this earpiece falls out of your ear, you're not going to lose the whole earpiece with it. Right here we have the easy quick disconnect that takes the clear coil out of the microphone. So that way you could have several employees using the same earpiece, but obviously you don't want to be sharing what's going on each other's ears, so you can take that off. They can use their own. So it will save you money, and you'll just have less items to manage in-house. This, as I said, has the M1 connector. That's what all CP200s use. It's pretty easy to just slide that in there. That's the CP200 radio. Thanks for watching. Give us a visit online. Our website is www.twowaydirect.com. You can also give us a call. Our number is 888-742-5893. Thanks.